Welcome to a new Checkbuster tutorial. Today I will show you how to plan an inspection. When you are in your inspection overview screen, you will see the Planned button. Once you've clicked on that, we can start planning an inspection. Click on the green calendar button at the right bottom of your screen. First, we can assign the inspection to a specific user. You can add several users, but for now, I will just select one. Next up, we are going to select a template. Once you've chosen a template that fits your inspection, we can continue by setting a start date. A day for when the inspection closes and a day for when it's overdue. Then you can also choose when this planned inspection needs to be repeated. Every day, week, 2 weeks, or if you want it to repeat longer than that, you can set a custom time frame. You can even make it never end. Once you are happy with the time frame for the inspection, you can give it a name and add time blocks to the title to make it clear for the user when the inspection needs to be done. Now you have successfully planned your inspection. Back at the overview, you can apply a filter to see specific inspections. Filter on specific templates, locations, users, and date. I hope you learned something from this new tutorial. We will be back soon with more. Make sure you install our new Checkbuster NXT app. Checkbuster. Inspect and report, share, and improve.